So students, today we will solve exercise 1.2 chapter set NCERT Maths class 11. Okay, so I have written all the questions of question number 1, and what I have to do here, we have to find out the null sets. That means what? Null set means empty set or void set or null set. Okay, so we have to find out what? Empty set. So we are starting with question number 1, that is what? Set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. So odd numbers, we know odd numbers are not divisible by 2. Odd numbers are not divisible by 2, and here it is telling that odd natural numbers but divisible by 2. So there is no any odd numbers, those are divisible by 2. Okay, so we can say what? We cannot make a set of this type of elements, those are odd numbers but divisible by 2. That means it is null set. Okay, it is null set. Now question number 2, set of even prime numbers. So we know even prime numbers means which one? There is only one number which is even and prime also. What is it? That means 2. So we can get 2 only even prime number. So is this null set? No, it is singleton set. Okay, so what have to write the answer, means how to write the answer? It is not null set. Okay, because so here you will see because, okay, the set is this. Okay, now question number 3, x such that x is a natural number and value of x with what? X less than 5 and x greater than 7. Now if you can see the number line 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, suppose. Now it is saying we have to take a natural number, that means we have to take a natural number x which will be less than 5, means below 5. Below 5 means this side, x will be which side? This side. Okay, below 5 means what? x से छोटा होगा, that means 5 के इधर होगा. Okay, and x should be greater than 7, that means x क्या होगा? एक ही साथ x उधर होगा, means x 7 से बड़ा होगा. That means what? x simultaneously below 5 and greater than 7. It can't be possible. x एक ही साथ, x का वैल्यू एक ही साथ 5 से छोटा और 7 से बड़ा, ऐसा कोई नंबर है? कोई नंबर नहीं है कि जो 5 से छोटा हो और 7 से बड़ा हो, ऐसा कोई नंबर नहीं है. So what we can take? It is null set. Okay. Now number 4, y such that y is a point common to any two parallel lines. Okay, any two parallel lines. Okay, so why it is what is it asking? The question asking that suppose we are having two parallel lines. Okay, now we have to take the points of intersecting two parallel lines. Okay, we have to take the intersecting points of two parallel lines. That means common point means what? Intersecting point. Okay, तो हमको क्या फाइंड करना पड़ेगा? दोनों पैरेलल लाइन का इंटरसेक्टिंग पॉइंट. एंड वी नो टू पैरेलल लाइंस नेवर इंटरसेक्ट टू ईच अदर. दोनों पैरेलल लाइन एक दूसरे को कभी इंटरसेक्ट करता ही नहीं है, तो ऐसा कॉमन पॉइंट हमको मिलेगा ही नहीं. ओके, सो वी कैन टेक व्हाट? वी कैन टेल इट इज अ null set. Okay, pause the video to note it down. Now question number 2, I have written all the questions. So what I have to do here? We have to find out the finite or infinite set. Okay, we have to find out the finite or infinite set. So first of all, question number 1, the set of months of a year. So what I have to do, we have to make a set of all months of a year. So we know there are 12 months in a year. Okay, so we can write all the name of the months within a set. So easily we can make a set, and this is the finite set. Why? Because there are only 12 elements, we can count it. So this is finite set. Okay, this is finite set. I'm writing here. Okay, this is finite set. Now question number 2. 1 2 3 dot 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 dot. Now dot dot means what? Dot dot means it is continuing. 1 2 3, these are continuing. So continuing means what? It is not having ending point. I told you how to identify the finite or infinite set. Infinite means what? You will not have the ending point. You will not have the ending point. Okay, here it is having only starting point but not having ending point. So it is not having ending point means it is infinite set. That means it is continuing, it is not having any ending point. Is that clear? Now question number 3. 1 2 3 dot 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 99, then 100. Now you can see here it is also continuing, but it is having the ending point, that is 100. It is having the ending point, so that what you can tell, those are having starting and ending point, that means it is finite. Already I told you that the set which is having starting and ending, that means it is a finite series, and which is not having the ending point, that means infinite. Okay, now question number 4. Okay, what is the question asking? The set of positive integer greater than 100. We have to make a set of positive integer, those are greater than 100. So greater than 100 means we have to start with 101, then 102, 103, and that means it is continuing. So it is not having ending point. So it is what? It is infinite set. Okay. Now 5. The set of prime numbers less than 99. So prime number set, we have to make a set of prime numbers less than 99. Less than 99 means the series will till 97, because below 99, that is 97 only the prime number. So we have to make the series till 97. Okay, and till 97 means it is having the series is having the ending point at 97. So it is what? It is finite set. Is that clear? 97 में सीरीज खत्म हो जाएगा, इसका मतलब एंडिंग पॉइंट है, तो ये फाइनाइट सेट है. ओके, pause the video to note it down. Question number 3 we have taken. Here also what I have to do, we have to find out the finite or infinite set. Okay, so same process as we have done in question number 2, same process we have to do here. Okay, so the set of lines which are parallel to the x-axis. So what is the question asking? We have to make a set of that lines which are parallel to the x-axis. Okay, so that means what? Suppose I'm writing here, suppose this is your x-axis. Okay, x o x dash. So there are too many lines, which are parallel to the x-axis. X-axis is what? This one is the x-axis. Now there are too many lines which are parallel to the x-axis. How? You can make this type line, this one, 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 this one. Too many lines are there which are parallel to the x-axis. Okay, so this is what? Question number 1 is what? This is infinite set. Okay, now question number 2. The set of letters in the English alphabets. We have to take what? The set of letters in the English alphabet. So in the English alphabet we are having finite numbers of letters, that means we are having 26 letters. And what are the letters? A to Z. So we can make the set easily, A, B, C, dot 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 till Z. This is the set. So is this finite or infinite? It is having the ending point. So it is what? It is finite set. Is that clear? Is it clear how to find out the identify the finite or infinite set? Okay, just you have to check out the ending point. Okay, and now the set of numbers which are multiple of 5. Now we have to make such number those are multiple of 5. So multiple of 5, there are too many numbers which are multiple of 5. अगर हम 5 का मल्टीपल ढूंढने में स्टार्ट करें तो बहुत सारा नंबर है ऐसा जो 5 का मल्टीपल है. कैसे? 5 1 जा 5, 5 2 जा 10, 5 3 जा 15, 5 4 जा 20. तो ऐसे करते मल्टीप्लाई करते जाएंगे, 5 का मल्टीपल निकलते जाएगा. तो ये क्या है? ये डॉट डॉट कंटिन्यूइंग है. तो ये क्या है? इनफाइनाइट. ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. द सेट ऑफ एनिमल living on the earth. The set of animal living on the earth. We can imagine that set of animals. That means what have to do? We have to make the name. We have to make a set. The name of the animals. Those are living on the earth. ऐसा एनिमल का नेम का एक सेट बनाना पड़ेगा जो अर्थ में है. ओके. तो we know these animals means the quantity of the animal, it is quite big but it is finite set. okay, ये जितना सारा एनिमल है ये है बहुत सारा. ठीक. we can count it, means we can find out that how many types of animals are there, so that it is what? Finite set. Okay, even though the number of animals is quite big, थोड़ा बड़ा है number of animal, but we can count it. Okay, the set of circles passing through the origin. बोल रहे हैं कि origin से जितना सारा सर्कल पास होगा सारा सर्कल्स का एक सेट बनाना है. तो देख लेते हैं origin से कितना सर्कल पास होता है. सपोज ये मेरा origin है. Now with this origin it can pass too many circles. Origin is what? Origin is a point, and we know, we have studied in class 10 that within at a point too many circles can be passed through. Okay, एक पॉइंट से बहुत सारा सर्कल पास हो सकता है. तो बहुत सारा सर्कल मीन्स व्हाट? इट इज इनफाइनाइट. ओके, सो pause the video to note it down. Question number 4. What we have to do here? We have to check whether A is equals to B or not. Okay, we have to check whether A is equals to B or not. So A is equals to B means what? What we have done? A is equals to B means what? That means A and B. If A and B are the equal set, that in that case we can write A is equals to B. Okay, that means A and B, if A and B be the equal sets, then we can write A equals to B. That means what we have to check? We have to check whether A and B are the equal sets or not. And what is the identification of equal set? That means we have to check both sets are having exactly same element or not. We have to check both sets are having exactly same elements or not. So here A is having A is also here in B also in B. Now C also in C, D also in D. Okay, all the elements are exactly same, but here the order of the elements is different, and I told you the order, it doesn't matter. Okay, we have to check whether the all elements are same or not. If they are same, then we can tell what? A is equals to B. Okay, question number 1 completed. Now 2, same thing we have to do here. 4 8 16, but here is 12 and here is 18. Both are different. both are different means what? A not equal B. That means A and B are not equal set. Okay. Now question number 3. A is equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. B is equals to what? X, such that X is a positive even integer. X is what? X is a positive even integer and X less than equal to 10. So first of all, do write all the elements of B. Do write all the elements of B. So we are writing all the elements of B. Okay, that means we are writing the tabular form of B. Okay, so first of all, positive even integer that and less than 10. So positive even means 2, which is positive. Okay, then 4, 6, okay, 8, and here it is having less than equal to. So for the equal sign we have to take 10. Okay, if this equal sign was not there, अगर ये इक्वल साइन नहीं रहता तो यहाँ पे हम लोग 8 तक लेते. ओके, अगर यहाँ पे x लेस देन 10 रहता तो यहाँ पे 8 तक ही लेते. यहाँ पे इक्वल साइन है इसीलिए 10 तक लेंगे. इज दैट क्लियर? वेदर यू विल हैव whenever you will have less than equal to, then you can take till 10. Otherwise whenever you will have only less than 10, then you have to take till 8. Is that clear to all? So now question number last. Oh no, just not completed. Now we have made the set B. Now we have to check what? We have to check both the set. We have to check both the elements of the set. Okay, so 2, 2, 4, 4, 6, 6, 8, 8, 10, 10. So these are what? Equal set. Okay, now question number 4. A is equals to x such that x is a multiple of 10. So write the set first in set tabular form. This is given set builder form, so write down in tabular form first. Then it will be easy to compare the elements. Okay, so first of all, x will be what? X will be multiple of 10. Multiple of 10 means starts with 10. How to find multiple of 10? Just you have to write down the table of 10. 10 1 is 10, 10 2 is 20, 10 3 is 30, and dot 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 dot. It is continuing. मल्टीप्लाई करते जाएंगे, इसका मल्टीपल निकलते जाएगा. एंडिंग पॉइंट है ही नहीं. इसका मतलब क्या? इनफाइनाइट सेट. एंड b is equals to what? b is equals to given. This is also infinite set. Listen, after 30 it is having also continuing these elements, so this is also infinite set. Okay, now we have to compare all the elements. Okay, now 10 10, 20 20, 30 30, but here it is having 15 25 and 15 25. These are not multiple of 10. That means this element you cannot find in this set. ओके, 15 25 ये सब 10 का मल्टीपल नहीं है, तो 10 का मल्टीपल नहीं है मींस इस सेट में नहीं रहेगा. तो दैट मींस व्हाट? दोनों सेट का एलिमेंट अलग हो गया. दैट मींस व्हाट? ए नॉट इक्वल टू बी. दोनों इक्वल सेट नहीं है. ओके, पॉज द वीडियो टू नोट इट डाउन. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, व्हाट हैव टू डू? वी हैव टू डू हियर same thing as we have done question number 4. That means we have to check whether the two sets are equal or not. So set B is given 2, 3 and set A is given 2, 3 and B is given is for x such that x is the solution of this equation. So we can write the solution of this equation. What is the solution of this equation? You have to find it out here. Okay, so we can write it x plus 3 and x plus 2 is equals to 0. That means x is equals to minus 3 and x is equals to minus 2. So we can write down the solution here only. Okay, minus 3 and minus 2. X is the solution and solutions we have got for minus 3 and minus 2. Now we have to compare the elements of the both set. Okay, here 2 minus 2. So one element we have got different. That means we should not go for checking for the another element. Okay, whenever we have got one element only different, that means A not equal to B. A and B are not equal set. Okay, now number 2, A is equals to X such that X is a letter in the word follow. So it is given in set builder form. First of all, convert it in a tabular form. So X is a letter in the word follow. Okay, so we have to make a set with the letters follow. Okay, that means we have to take F O double L, that means single L we have to take, O already we have taken one time, and then W. And question and B is given Y such that Y is a letter in the word WOLF. Okay, so here also we have to make a set of the letters wolf. Okay, so WOLF. Now you have to compare both the set WOLF. All the elements are equal, therefore A is equals to B. Okay, pause the video to note it down. Here in question number 6, what I have to do? We have to find out the equal sets. We have to find out the equal sets from here. We are given what? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. 6 to 8 sets we are given. Okay, we are given the 8 sets, and from these 8 sets we have to find out the equal sets. Okay, so what I have to do? Nothing but we have to do nothing but just we have to compare the elements. We have to check the elements wherever the sets are having the same elements, exactly same elements. Okay, so 2, 4, 8, 12. So check it out where 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8, 12 and the element 2, 4, 8, 12. 2, 4, 8, 12, 2, 4, 8, 12, 2, 4, 8, 12, 4, 8, 12, no, 2, 4, 8, 12, 2, 4, 8, 12, 2, 4, 8, 12, no. There is no element, there is no any same equal set with A. Okay, A के साथ कोई equal नहीं है. Now B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, no, 1, 2, now listen here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these all elements and these elements are equal. Okay, exactly same, not equal, that means exactly same. Whether whenever these order are not same, here 1, 2, 3, 4, here 3, 3, 1, 4, 2, and it doesn't matter. Already I told you, order doesn't matter. Just you have to check the element whether the elements are there or not. Only this thing you have to check. So we have got what? B is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, and D is equals to 3, 1, 4, 2. So therefore B is equals to D. Check another. E is equals to minus 1, 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 1, this one, minus 1 and 1. So what we can write, this one, first part, second part, we have got what? E is equals to minus 1 and 1, and G is equals to 1 comma minus 1. So it implies what? E is equals to Z. Okay, and then F is equals to 0 A and 0 1 not. So now we have got only 4 sets, those are equal. That means B is equals to D and E is equals to G. So these are the solution of exercise 1.2 chapter 1 set class 11 NCERT maths. Okay, and in next video we will discuss subset. Okay, we will discuss subset, that means we will discuss introduction of exercise 1.3. okay, thank you for watching my video.